Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant Rajan. Welcome to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com, the only platform where you learn to invest and trade in the stock market, plan your financial goals, invest in different financial assets, and grow with a community of knowledgeable investors. If you are not a part of the community yet, visit our website MPIinvest.com to join the community free of cost. Before we start the day, I would like to tell you something very important. Of course, we discussed yesterday in the evening in the weekly meeting that we have at MPA Family that the June series has started and we are expecting a good rise in the market. Yes, majorly because the global markets have kind of recovered, but then there are some small jitters around which we already spoke about yesterday, which I will not be repeating again today. But apart from that, coming to the SGX Nifty as on today, like I had discussed yesterday, this was expected to open with a gap up. Yes, we are probably seeing a big gap up today. We might see a Nifty opening close to 16,450. That's almost 100 points up from where market had closed on Friday. So, of course, there would be some initial profit booking kicking in, but then it depends on the positivity in the market on how the retailers go ahead and support the DAIs in buying today. If that happens, probably we could see 16,400 broken, but otherwise, if the close again happens below 16,400, we would take some more time to reach higher. So let's keep a watch on that. Apart from that, looking at some stock specific news, like we had discussed yesterday, the Tata Motors is taking over the Ford India Sanand plant, which can be a great news for Tata Motors, and that can be actually seen as a good sign for auto sector as well, and we could see probably Tata Motors making some good moves today. So let us see how things go there. And ONGC also, market would also react to the ONGC results, which also made it the most profitable, second most profitable company in India after Reliance. And but of course there are some concerns over the future production because there are not really clear pathways on what could be the source of natural gas and where could they be sourcing this from apart from Russia and all those things. So that's something that needs to be watched out. But apart from that, if you see, we could also see Oil India coming up with their results, and they've reported their highest ever net profit of 3,887 crores. So that's something good. Let's have a watch on this also. Apart from that, Mahindra and Mahindra came up with their results. They've reported a 17% year-on-year rise in standalone profit, and that is something really good, especially because Mahindra is yet another Indian company which has a major focus on EV, and with the profit rising, that also can be good. In fact, Mahindra is something that we already have on our portfolio, but with this good results, I am thinking of adding some more. Let me see. I'll share it when I do that in the community. There is some little bad news for JSW Steel as they reported a 20% year-on-year decline in consolidated net profit. So that doesn't look good. Might be, of course, because of a lot of rising input cost, but things are not looking great as of now. Apart from that, Nykaa, I told you again, their profit also has gone down by 57%. So, but majorly because of the investment that they've done, which looks positive. So I don't think we have to worry anything about it. So we have some investment in Nykaa, and I'm sure we might be adding some more based on the market situation. Apart from that, if you look at some major results coming in, we have Aurobindo Pharma, Campus Activewear, Dish TV, IRCTC, Jindal Steel and Power, Jubilant Foodworks, and Life Insurance Corporation. Yes, LIC first result announcement after getting listed. So let us see how the stock reacts today after the results come. So that's something that needs to be watched out for the day. So like majorly, I would be looking at LIC, IRCTC and Jubilant Foodworks. IRCTC because of course we got some holding there. LIC, yes, we have some holding and plans to add some more over a period of time. But Jubilant Foodworks is something which I had exited with some good profit few months back, and it's time to probably plan a re-entry if the results are good. Especially after the top management change, there is something that we need to watch out how the stock will actually react to the results. So after that we'll decide. So as of now for today, 16 400 will continue to be a major resistance, which if broken today, that is as it's opening with a gap up above 400, there are chances 400 can be seen as a support as well. So if the 400 is not broken on the downside, we could see some rise, and if 400 is broken, probably then we can look at next is 16200, and the next level will be 16000. On the higher side, 400 to 450 range remains resistance. So 16450 can be seen as a resistance. If that is broken, 16500 comes in next, and then comes 16600. However, let's see how the market reacts to all these results today. And the major thing is today US markets are closed, so we are not going to get any global cues for tomorrow. So there are chances the market might kind of can stay sideways also till we have some global cues. So that's it for today. Have a profitable day in the market. Let us catch up in the evening market podcast with more details on what happened in the day. With that, this was Srikant Rajan signing off. But before that, do remember to press the like button and share this with your friends to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day.